My lord, this is a review petition. I appear on behalf of the applicant today.
जी
This application is made under Order 47, Rule 1 of the CPC. This order
लोक
essentially,
अदालत का ऑर्डर है ये तो
जी,
लोक
they are-
अदालत का ऑर्डर तो लोक अदालत के सामने जाएगा फिर।
my lord, under the High Court rules and orders, it says that if the Lok Adalat is not available, then the relevant judge is.
लोक अदालत is available on 14 December.
That's a question for the registry, since the matter is already listed. It's in the interest of justice.
आप कहाँ इंग्लैंड से पढ़ के आए हैं क्या?
मैं बैरिस्टर हूँ, my lord.
Barrister.
ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे अपनी प्रैक्टिस को इंडिया,
कहाँ से कहाँ पे रजिस्टर हैं आप?
इंग्लैंड एंड वेल्स.
हाँ, लग रहा है आपके एक्सेंट से। गुड, वेरी गुड।
Thank you, my lord. So, my lord, it's in the
What's
interest
your
of
good name,
justice.
please? What's your good name, please?
Sorry, Arish Haider.
आर्यश हैदर
जी.
हाँ, सही नाम लिख के दे दीजिएगा एक स्लिप पे नाम।
I will, my lord.
For the petitioner, when informed that this order or the order under challenge originates from the proceedings of a Lok Adalat and next Lok Adalat is likely to be held on 14th December 2024. Praise for listing of this case before the forthcoming Lok Adalat on 14th December 2024. List accordingly.
My lord, apologize. Just a brief highlight I wanted to make is in the High Court rules and orders states that it is not necessary for a matter a decision which was passed in the Lok Adalat to be decided by the Lok Adalat. Again, in a
Please
review.
show me the High Court rule.
My lord, I'll take a brief moment if that's okay to bring it to your lordship.
This is India. Our courts are overburdened. This is not England where very few cases are tried. So
Yes, my lord, in which
when-
case I think.
when you appear next time, you should be prepared with all the possible queries which may be put, which may come either from the court or from the opposite party.
I agree, my lord.
Because you will not be getting. Now you take your time. दीजिएगा High Court rules उठाइएगा.
ऐसे सर संजय यादव सबसे ट्रेनिंग लेंगे
Yes, you are referring to which provision?
It's under paragraph 13, which is the which deals with the review petition at page number 37.
Which rule?
Rule number 13, 2A,
Which chapter?
chapter number 7.
Chapter 7.
Sorry, my lords.
Chapter 7, Rule 13. There is no Rule 13 in Chapter 7.
S- My lord, this is sorry, chapter number 4
Chapter 4.
that deals with constitution and jurisdiction of benches.
Yes.
It's the rule number 13. 2A. Any application seeking a review, clarification, or modification of a judgment, decree, and order passed by a bench of Lok Adalat shall be placed before the same bench at any subsequent Lok Adalat for consideration. B. Where any of the members comprising such bench is not available, the application shall be placed before the Chief Justice for constitution of a bench for Lok Adalat for consideration. C. Where there is no settlement by consent on the application for review before the Lok Adalat.
Where is it mentioned
I
that it can be heard by a single bench?
My lord, I
You
apologize.
made this submission.
Yes, I did make the submissions.
Your submission should be based on factual matters.
Yes, my lord, there is a provision by the registry which I will not indulge the court any
Okay,
further.
next
I
case.
apologize, my lord, but I.
Next case. हाँ शाह साहब बताइए.
मेरे पास बैठो
रिव्यू है